Here I am about 100 yards away from my place at Vantage Motors, and just going to give you a demonstration of what he's up to on his RS3. There's a very slight wobble on his steering's under braking, so he's now going to remachine the discs on the car. I thought you might all be interested to watch. It's cutting both sides at the same time, so they'll be through. And there's a pair of discs for this car are about £1,000. It's well worth having these done. So this will be the first cut, and then the next cut will be finer.
Don't normally lube. I don't normally use lube, but it's better if you've got a drill disc to use lube. You've just got to be a bit more careful when you're cleaning them.
Now Michael's just setting up for the second cut. And how many cuts do you need, Michael?
You do one course of about 3 cows, and then if that makes this tree, what this one is, you go back and do 1,000 and one trick on the knob.
So if any of you with performance cars are told that you need new brake discs, if they're still in tolerances, Michael can cut them. So don't be dragged into when dealers tell you you need new brake discs all the time, because the profit margin on them is so great for the dealers. They more or less tell you need a set of discs every third time you have brake pads. This car is a low mileage, fairly new car, but Michael could feel there is a slight deformation in the brakes. And because he owns the equipment, this is why he's coming today to do it.
And of course, these were brand new 4,000 miles ago.
But I don't know if you heard that, Michael says these was brand new discs 4,000 miles ago, and they're still not through.
Put on by Audi.
And Audi fitted them. So, as you can see, and you can actually hear the difference now that the discs must be level because of the noise. If you listen to the first cut, you could clearly hear there was high spots. So there you have it. If any of you need any brake discs doing, give us a shout. Michael will give you a quote for doing them. They can be done on the car, as you can see. There's no need for a complete strip down. The brake caliper has to be removed to bolt the machine in place. But other than that, you know, you can have your discs like new in a couple of hours. So if you want to contact Michael, contact me on my page, and I'll pass his number on to you. And thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you with another video soon.